Jikwe, a satellite community of the FCT. The news of the postponement of the elections has come as a shocker for many here.
And we are very, very disappointed for this election. Because when you fail exam, it's not an avenue. You should continue to fail exam. Postponement is not a reason, a real avenue that it's an avenue that PDP, led by President Buhari, wanted to use to rig the election. Yeah, are you getting me? So INEC is not a problem of this. It's an avenue that APC are using in order to rig the election, to stabilize this country. That is the problem. That is what is the problem.
The election has been postponed. I feel bad because the time they postponed the election, it's not a day to the election, it's the D-Day. At least if they postpone the election a day before the D-Day, at least everybody will get the information. Because all of us, all Nigerians are ready for this election. We are ready for this election. But waking up this morning, I heard that the election had been postponed. We are feel sad, sir.
I feel disappointed because this goes a long way to douse the spirit of the voters. What we expected to see or what people are set to do, they intend to water down their spirit, but obviously this will give us more impetus, more courage to make sure our vote counts.
It's not fair. I don't know what is this country is turning to. The day of the election, Nigerian government postponed the election. It's not fair to us. It's not fair. It's not fair at all. We don't know what this government is doing. If they want to postpone the election, they have postponed the election 2 weeks or 3 weeks before the election.
I have already prepared to vote for this election. Unfortunately, when I wake up early in the morning, I heard that they have postponed the election. So it's very, very unfortunate to me and some people that have traveled already. How can they keep on staying in the village from now till weekend before they will now vote? Some of them will be frustrated. And when they come back, they cannot be able to travel again. So it's unfair.
As Plus TV Africa visited some polling booths, they were empty as no voters and INEC officials were seen on ground. Also, a visit to the city center saw scanty roads and light traffic. From the reactions so far, it is definitely clear that Nigerians are displeased with the postponement of the elections. Here at the city center, we can see the road is still very sparse because many Nigerians have not come to terms that the security restriction on free movement has been lifted. Plus TV Africa is following up on developments. I will update you as more information comes in. Amadin Uyi, Plus TV Africa.